Caught in the hailstorm. Alex and his schoolmates were on a trekking trip to the mountains. On the first day, the excited children had their breakfast and left for their trek with Sam, the camp organizer. It was a clear and beautiful day, but slowly clouds started rolling in. Sam looked worried. Suddenly, they all heard a loud clap of thunder and saw lightning in the sky. Sam and the children turned back towards the camp. However, they were caught in a hailstorm. Visibility was so poor that Alex and 5 of his friends were separated from the main group. Lost in the mountains, some of the children started crying. Alex was scared too, but was not ready to give up. He found a small cave and took all his friends there. When it stopped raining, they started walking. Just then, they met Sam, who was looking for them. Overjoyed, they all hugged Sam. Meow. Sienna did not like her neighbor's cat Tom. She found him very rude. Every time Tom saw Sienna, he would hiss at her and walk away with his tail high in the air. What is wrong with the cat? Sienna wondered. One day, Sienna went out cycling. In her excitement, she cycled away from her street. As it became darker, she realized she was lost. She first turned left, then right, but she just couldn't find her house or her street. Alone and scared, she started crying. Suddenly, Sienna heard a cat's meow. It was Tom. He came to her and rubbed against her leg, which comforted Sienna. Then Tom started doing something very strange. He would meow at Sienna and then walk a few steps. This went on for some time, till a confused Sienna understood that Tom wanted her to follow him. So, she followed him and he led her right up to her front door. Sienna and Tom became best friends since then. Under the table, Bob and his family lived in an apartment on the 7th floor. Every evening, the family would sit down after dinner and watch the news together. Bob's grandfather called it the family hour. One day, during the family hour, Chelsea noticed that the fan was swaying strangely. Before she could say anything, her grandmother screamed, "It is an earthquake! Quick, let us take the stairs and go out in the open." But Bob knew that being on the 7th floor, they would never reach the ground in time. "I have a better idea," he said. "We should hide under our big table." Not knowing what else to do, the entire family huddled under the table. A little later, the earth stopped shaking. As they came out from under the table, the family noticed that the table had saved them from the fan, which had crashed right on top of it. Chelsea reported that the staircase of the building had fallen in. Everybody thanked Bob for his quick thinking. Mother, the gymnast. Once, Claire and her mother went to a wedding. Claire's father was unwell, so he stayed at home. When they reached home, Mother rang the bell, but nobody came to open the door. Claire said, "Papa is at home, so why is he not opening the door? He must have taken his medicine and gone to sleep." Mother said, "What will we do now?" Claire looked worried. Mother noticed that the bedroom window was open. She took off her shoes and put down her bag. Asking Claire to wait, she soon climbed up a tree that was right outside the open window. Then she pulled herself effortlessly up the tree, walked across the branch and jumped into the open window. Soon Papa was up and Claire was brought inside the house. "I was a gymnast in school," Mother laughed, explaining to her astonished family how she could climb and jump so well.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.